Hello everybody, how are you? Now we'll complete an equation about derivatives. Okay. In this example, you want to find derivative y of x. Find dy of x if y multiplied by 3. We can write this expression x power 3 plus y power 3 equals 6xy. And you want to find dy over x, derivative about y for x. Okay, we will derivative this expression. We must write 3x power 2, drop this power here and subtract 1 from this power, and here we can drop the power here, 3y power 2 multiply y dy over x, dy over dx, derivative y for x, and 6xy we can derivative of the function has multiplication about two terms. Look at 6x here multiply by y, derivative y it will be dy over dx, plus we can write here what we can write the first multiply by second, write second here multiply by derivative by the first will be 6, the result will be 6y. So okay, we can simplify it by divided by 3 all this expression. The result will be x power 2 plus y power 2 dy over dx equal 2x dy over dx plus 2y. And you want to find dy over x. Here we can move this term from left hand side to right hand side and inverse sign, and we can get here. So they can write x power 2 subtract by 2y. We can move this term from right hand side to left hand side here, and we can here 2x dy over dx subtract by x, subtract by this expression y power 2 dy over dx, and then we can complete it here, x power 2 subtract by 2y equal dy over the x multiply by 2x here subtract y power 2, then dy over dx equal what? We can divide this expression by this, so the result will be x power 2 multiply 2y subtract 2y over 2x subtract y power 2. So the result about derivative y over x. And then we want to find dy over x about this equation. 1 sine y multiply sine y equal x multiplied by sine x. We want to find dy over x. Okay, so we can write first multiply by derivative the second here, because we have multiplication about two terms. We can write the first here multiply derivative by sine will be cosine y multiply y derivative by this angle dy over dx, plus we can write the second here sine y multiply by derivative by the first will be dy over dx equal, we can find derivative about multiplication about two terms here. We can write the first multiply by derivative by sine x will be cosine x plus sine x, the second multiply derivative by x equal 1. So we can find derivative y over dx here outside here about two term and write coefficient dy over x. The result will be y cosine y plus sine y all equal x cosine x plus sine x, x cosine x plus sine x, then dy over dx equal, we can write this expression x cosine x plus sine x over this expression y cosine y plus sine y. Now we want to find derivative about y 2x. If we have ln of x, this question ln x subtract ln y equal e power xy power 3. It was ln x over y. This expression was ln x over y equal e power x multiply y power 3. Go right here this properties ln x over y equal ln x subtract ln y, and we can find derivative of this expression here, left hand side and right hand side. We know derivative about ln of x equal 1 over x, and derivative about y will be y dash over y equal this term e power x y power 3 multiplied by derivative about this power. We can write the first multiplied by derivative about second. The result will be 3y power 2. Okay, we can write again. We can write the first multiplied by derivative by y power 3 equals 3y power 2 multiplied by y dash. Y dash is meaning dy over dx. Okay, plus second y power 3 multiplied by derivative by x equal 1. Okay, we can simplify it here by multiplication xy to cancel to denominator here. So we can write it here 1 over x subtract y dash over y equal e power x y power 3 multiplied by 3x y power 2 y dash plus y power 3. Who can simplify it? We can multiply by xy from all the term. Xy divided by x, result will be y. And xy divided by y equal x, x multiply y dash equal, we have here e power x multiply e power 3 multiply 3x y power 2 y dash. We can use the distribution about xy and expression and e power xy power 3. Look at here. First we can multiply this term by this term and this term. Result will be 3 x multiply x power 2 y power 2 multiply y power 3 y dash multiplied by e power x y power 3 plus y power 3 here multiply this term e power x y power 3 multiplied by x. We can write x here and y multiply y power 3 equal y power 4. It will be y power 4. We want to find one dash, so we can write y dash coefficient between two terms here. You must write y here and this expression. Right, subtract y power 4 e power x multiplied by y power 3 multiplied by x equal, we can write y dash coefficient here between two terms and moving here will be positive, negative will be positive, and write y dash outside here. The result will be here 3x power 2. Okay, 3x power 2 y power 3 e power x y power 3. Then y dash, we can write it here, this expression divided coefficient here about this expression. The result will be y subtract y power 4 multiply e power x y power 3 multiply by x over 3x power 2 y power 3 multiply e power x y power 3 plus lx. Okay, that's the result about this question.